Visiting FabCon this year was one of the best trips that we have ever taken. We were able to learn so much about the business, and everyone was so nice and accepting and answered all of our questions. We got to take a tour of the plant and saw how they make the prefab walls by pouring the concrete and then setting in the necessary materials in order to join the walls together. If you have ever been driving anywhere and have seen a distribution center, chances are the walls have come from FabCon. Everything that they make is ordered beforehand, and it is specified for the specific company. Everyone there knows their job and puts safety first. You can start as an entry-level employee and work your way up to the top of the team.